Hi guys, let's cook again my husband's favorite dish. Ingredients are frozen beans, the carrots, patatas or potato ko, tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and then of course the meat, the ground meat. A little bit of ground meat, not that much, maybe just 100 grams, or cilantro, parsley, curry powder, smoked paprika, and ginger also powder, and I mixed them all together, and then I added a little bit of salt and pepper for later to give some taste. But now let's start cooking. I use a natural oil here, a pork natural oil, and then soak the onions first. After that, the garlic and the ginger, and followed by the tomatoes. After, just cook it a little bit and then pour the tomatoes. And then after, put the meat there and then pour the spices that I mixed in the bowl. Put it there together. Mix them all. Prepare mixing them in the bowl, but you have your own choice. It's up to you. How do you mix your own seasoning? Now potatoes there. And just mix all together. After that, I also put the bouvroy. It's bouvroy here. Call that in Quebec bouvroy. I don't know what's in English because it's in French. So I mix them all to add more taste. And then if you think that the meat is already okay, you can add your frozen beans now. It's just easy as that, and it's very simple, as you can see. Then let it stay for 5 minutes. Cover it for 5 minutes also. Put the cover, and then it's almost done. Look at that. Let's have a taste. Yummy.